Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love seeing birds or hearing bird songs and currently looking for a bird guide or field guide to birds which will help you with bird identification and all about the birds in America? If you're a nature lover that currently resides in Georgia, then the Birds Georgia Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. You will love reading every page of this field guide, which is prepared by Stan Tikiela. Now you can learn about and identify birds in the state of Georgia by using this field guide. This item offers full-page color photos, which are comparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. What's great about this item is that it offers an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. Now's the perfect time to get this field guide. Grab the Birds Georgia Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Georgia. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.